My grandfather did construction, and I always liked building things, and my dad's an engineer, and so and I had some friends whose parents were doctors, and I kind of thought that was a neat field too. So I kind of split the difference and did biomedical engineering, and I was like, well, I can always change, you know, pretty easily to one of those or another. So kind of along the way, I kind of realized, you know, did some shadowing, worked in some hospitals in Knoxville, and just felt like that was where I needed to be. So with foot and ankle, my first month of residency, my dad tore his Achilles tendon. And just watching him go through the path of recovery with that, which it's typically kind of, it can be a long recovery. You know, you look at basketball players, it's about 10 to 12 months before they get back. So I saw him kind of go through that, and then I had the ability to go to Switzerland for 6 weeks during residency and work with a couple well-known foot and ankle doctors. The total ankle replacement is something that's kind of newer in getting a lot better in terms of treating patients' ankle arthritis, and I think it's a really neat sort of invention that's kind of come along in the past 30 years. So I take care of Franklin High School, and I've also taken care of Fairview in the past, and it's just a very rewarding experience. You get to know the families, you get to know the kids, you kind of root for them. I think the most unique thing about Bone and Joint is the team atmosphere. It's what really drew me to the group initially. When I was on my visit here, there was one surgery where a couple of the doctors had kind of pulled themselves together when actually working together, and that's not that common in orthopedics. And to really see you know, guys working together, helping to get people better, that really drew me in. You know, I've heard it said for every kid you have, you lose a hobby. So I have 4 kids. So I used to do a lot, but we're catching back up. They're starting to get a little older. So I have 4 children. I have 3 boys and a girl, and they're great. They range from ages 9 to 2 years old, and that takes up a lot of my spare time, but it's really fun.